Hi guys, so I'm starting this video with the evolution of my hair. So that was July, August, and this is my hair now in January. And basically the reason why I'm doing this is because people have been asking, what do you do to your hair? So some years ago I noticed I started having this very crazy flakes and itchy scalp, and I tried to work on it. I tried to do something to it and it went. And sometime 2 years ago, or let me say 2020, yeah, that's 2 years ago, it started again, and I was so pissed off. During lockdown I had to cut off my hair, and now it's still as dry, especially my scalp, like it's dry, flaky, and my hair was seriously breaking, as you can tell in this video. And at this point I knew I had to do something to it. I mean, when I came to Canada it just got worse, because naturally I have dry scalp, and then in this winter and very dry environment I just had to do something. So I went to Walmart. I got this bamboo charcoal exfoliator. I got this Tresemme coconut shampoo, and also I had been using this before. This is anti-Jackie detangler, and I also got this hair mayonnaise to use as a deep conditioner, and also I got a leave-in conditioner. These products are very important for you to have a moisturized hair basically. So this is the Sheer Moisture Strength and Restore Smoothie, and this is what I use right now. So let's take care of the scalp and the hair. So yeah, let's loosen that hair. Looks super rough. Yeah, let's loosen it. So now that that is done, we have this hair. After loosening it, I didn't comb it because at this point it was very dry, and combing it would be very disastrous. So I went in to use that anti-Jackie's detangler. So with this product you have to be generous, because yeah, we are trying to detangle a whole head of hair. So yeah, I'm just applying it all through like that, making sure that the product soaks into the hair as much as possible. As you can see, the hair was still pulling out. It was like a really big deal for me at this point. Like oh my god, I legit thought I had cancer at this point, the way my hair was like pulling out. So yeah, after putting that, so I went ahead to put my hair into this little bond so that I can access my scalp, and so that I can just detangle it in session. So that was what I was doing there. It's I read that it's good to detangle in session, so that was what I did. So session done, I started combing it out session by session. This was a rigorous activity for me, because I legit don't like doing all of this ceremony. It's just, I mean, it was just too much for me, but I had to do it. A girl had to do what a girl had to do, so I was just detangling. Guys, it was at this point that I noticed that my husband's shorts are like all over the video, so I vehemently apologize for that. I'm sorry that you have to see that. So now that I just finished with detangling, can you see how fluffy and beautiful this afro is looking? This TWA? I mean, and this was the hair that I lost in the process of detangling it. And as you can see, I was showing you what's on the floor. Don't mind my rag. So that was how much hair that I lost. So after this process, I went ahead to put it back in that session again, because now we had to work on the scalp. So we need to access the scalp. Session. Can you see the flakes? Can you see the flakes? Gosh, this is embarrassing. So session done, and I went ahead to spray my scalp with water. The water looks funny because there's a little bit of leave-in conditioner in the bottle, so that's why it looks like whitish. So I sprayed the water, and I'm just pressing the water into my scalp, because this is the time where we exfoliate. So we first spray the scalp. So after that, I don't know why I did this, because I was wearing a home cloth. I don't know why I was protecting the cloth again, but maybe because it was my husband's shirt. So anyway, after doing that, I went in with the charcoal bamboo exfoliator, and this product came with this brush scalp massager like stuff, which is like what I really love about the product. I mean, apart from what it does. Yeah, so I'm basically exfoliating to lift the dirt and dead cell off my scalp, so that whatever treatment I'm putting on it is going directly on a new let's say new scalp, so to say. So I mean, see how dirty the exfoliator looks like. I mean, it was crazy, but yeah, I kept on scrubbing that. Scrub it, don't be scared. And I love that this product has a tinge of is it menthol? It was a bit peppery, and I love that. Just a little bit, it wasn't anything crazy. So I kept on scrubbing. So after scrubbing all the parts that are visible, I started loosening the bonds, and I was scrubbing in between the hair so that I can reach as much part of my scalp as possible. It was important for me to do that, because I mean, I needed to get rid of the itch, yeah, and the scaling off and all of that. So I mean, I just had to give my scalp a good bath, a good exfoliation. After that, just brush this, now sealing it back. So scalp exfoliation done. I am just using my hand to massage the product into my hair, into my scalp, and I'm just gonna leave that on for like 5 minutes, after which we go into that shampoo, the coconut shampoo. So this shampoo, what I like is that it is a moisturizing shampoo. There are different types of shampoo, but because I am trying to combat dry scalp and hair, so that was why I decided to go with a moisturizing shampoo. So I'm just spraying water, because normally I would just put my head over the tub and just put the product, but for the sake of recording, I'm spraying water and just doing this in front of the mirror. So I'm applying as much as my hair needed. So this is the hair with shampoo, and can you see that it's not even lathering? Like there is no lather, there is no foam because of how dirty and whatever the hair was at this point. But well, we are fixing that, right? So I washed that off, and this is the second lather. Like this is the second time I applied the shampoo, and we can see that it has foam. It has lather basically. So I've washed the shampoo off, and I'm just going to go in with that. I've forgotten what it is called now, but it's like a fiber towel for hair. So I'm just going to put that on the wet hair so that a little bit of the water can just soak out, yeah, before going in with our next step. I make sure that the hair is not like completely dry before going into the next step. Hello shrinkage, see the hair looking so short now, but see our scalp. See the scalp, guys, see the scalp. Like I could literally eat on it. But no, we're not doing that. So let's go into the next step, which is basically deep conditioning. So I went into that mayonnaise, the ORS mayonnaise. I might not be purchasing this product again because ORS, you don't cast. Like I'm not a big fan of their brand anymore, especially for hair. Like you have to be careful to read the product ingredients because they have a lot of rubbish as product, as ingredients these days. Like I have product that I bought from them that I can't even use because it's filled with petroleum jelly and all of that bad stuff for your hair. So I might not be purchasing that again, but for the purpose of this video, that was what I used as my deep conditioner. So I was just putting that in like you're applying your relaxer on your hair, so that I could have enough in the hair so we could get the best out of this process. So after applying it, I went ahead to comb my hair. I'm just basically trying to evenly distribute the product into my hair. It's important to use a wide tooth comb. At that point, that comb wasn't doing it for me, so I decided to use a bigger one because my hair is very thick and full, so it gets kind of painful while combing. But anyway, as you can see how the hair is combing well? That is a moisturized hair. So I just basically did that. So after that process, I went ahead to put this plastic bag over my hair because, well, I was about to say I did not have, but I realized that as at this time I still do not have a shower cap. So I use this plastic bag. After tying it, I make sure to tie it very tightly because I don't want any hair. I don't want any hair entering. So I put my fiber towel over it and just wrapped it around tightly so that there will be steam. This process is called deep conditioning. So the steam from my body would make it more deep conditioned. I don't know how to explain that process, but I waited 30 minutes, then I took it out. Can we see that the hair has soaked in all of that product, which is a good thing. So I went ahead to wash it. After washing it, I used the that towel to just clean off the hair, the water from the hair. So I made sure that it wasn't like, I left the hair damp, not entirely dry. then I went ahead to apply that Sheer Moisture leave-in conditioner. And with this process too, bless me, with this process too, you know, you have to be generous with the amount of product you put on the hair. And you know, I was just applying that all over the hair, and make sure that I made sure that I got into every part of my hair. Now guys, I'm not saying this is gonna work for everybody, but right now this is what I do to combat extremely dry scalp and flaky itchy scalp. So this is a process I would advise for anyone to do, but I'm not saying that this would work for everybody. I am not a trichologist. I'm just talking based off of my experience and research as to hair. So I'm using this oil to seal in the moisture. Yeah, I've put water, I've put leave-in conditioner, so I'm putting a sealant, which is oil. After which I put my hair in this not so fantastic all back, but this was the first time I plaited my hair by myself, and to be honest, it wasn't like entirely bad. The first time someone plaited it for me here, it was crazy because I had headache and it was too tight, and I wasn't just ready to do that to myself again. So guys, if you found this video helpful, comment below, don't forget to subscribe, and love up on your girl. Bye.